Jeff is ridiculous. I'm running downfield looking at some of the catches. I'm like, there's no way he's about to catch that. I'm not doubting him, but I'm just looking at it like, I can't catch that, even if I was his size. They could put me out there, but it wasn't in the same way.
Yeah, I'm really happy how the season went so far. But me with having a good year, I just been in the weight room, attacking that more than I did last year, and it's been happening this year.
Where has he made the most progress?
Practice. I mean, it's a direct result between what he does every day in practice and what he does on game day. If you watch the phenomenal catches he makes on game day, if you watch Tuesday practice and Wednesday, he does it every single day out here. I think he's matured a lot, being up under Coach Duke and taking coaching from him of how to be a better practice player. The correlation between how well he practices and how well he plays.
I'm more comfortable now. I know what to do and in my routes and my playbook. So it's a good start.
Well, we all knew he could do it. It's just a matter of his opportunity. You're only gonna play so much when Braxton's in front of you. So once he got his opportunity, he sees the moment. That's all Coach Hartley says. Seize the moment when the opportunity comes. He always preaches every day, and that's what he's been doing. So we all saw it coming.
I mean, you can see Jeff Thomas is, I believe, one of the best wide receivers in the country. He's doing unbelievable.